Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change region on Android. It's really simple and easy. First of all, we will start off on the home screen and go to the Play Store application, and then in the search bar, just simply search for VPN, search for it, and then you can install any VPN according to your needs. I'm going for this Super VPN because it's free and fast. I have used this before for my video games or for some applications that are not available in my country, so it make it easier to access them. After downloading, just tap on this open, wait for it to load, and then press agree and continue. And when you are here, you can see this option auto select. Tap on this drop down and then you can select any country which is available here. Just select any country. Let's say I just selected Canada, and then tap on this connect, and now your region and IP address will be changed in this Android phone. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to change region on Android. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.